Hey guys, today we are back in the garage with the Ferrari F430 and I am going to learn how to get it up on my two-post lift for the first time and see underneath. Once I get it up, I will show you the lift points. It'll be easier to see from there, but I'm going to try to do a two puck stacked on top of each other scheme. Just got back from Play It Again Sports. All right, Play It Again Sports, we got a whole bunch of hockey pucks. $1.99 per puck, so I bought 8 of them. All right, I learned that the puck was a little bit too wide, so I shaved off the edges with this guy, extra puck. All right, this is me from the future after getting it up on the lift. All right, apparently I was doing that wrong. I put it in that little hole right there. Now that it's up on the lift and I can see it, it's super obvious that people were talking about right here with this big plate. So yes. A normal sized hockey puck will easily fit here. No need to shave it down. This is the lift point, which is considerably furthermore towards the front of the car than that one. So it would actually be more stable from back here, but that is not the factory intended way to lift it. I think it's up here. And you'll see that there's this little shape that it goes in, and all right, I can wedge it in there now. Oh God, I always get nervous the very first time lifting a new car on my lift. Okay, she is up. This is the bottom. All right, so over here, this is the rear, so you can see that there's a little C-shaped cutout here that this first puck is, that I cut is in there. The second puck is resting on it. On the other side, instead of a second puck, I had to use this little thin piece of rubber because it was a little lower on this side. I couldn't fit a whole puck up there. And in the front, we just have, it's like a 1.5 inch diameter, kind of a bolt that goes down here. And that is the jack point for the front. So the front two sides are resting on that. And there we go. We have it up. Next step, we will do some investigations and other maintenance down here. In the meantime, please give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. See you guys on the next one.